Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Dr. David Lowe, head of the Development Bank of Jamaica, offers the recipe for Jamaica going forward as a climate risk environment. Speaking at the JMMB's Group's Thought Leadership Breakfast on Thursday, December 4, 2025, Dr. Lowe outlined the pillars. Renewable energy, climate-smart agriculture, and digital innovation is the way forward at the agriculture level. At the financial level, catastrophe bonds and risk-sharing mechanisms to safeguard against future shocks is the next step. Dr. Lowe then stated that empowering human capital with skills for green and digital jobs and fostering community-led rebuilding efforts is how to take job creation to the next level in Jamaica. And then real-time data are essential for informed decision-making and transparent public-private partnerships that enhance disaster response and resilience. Harold Davis, acting CEO of the Jamaica Business Development Corporation, says the insolvency framework as a realistic tool for debt recovery and business rehabilitation, especially as firms continue to recover from the economic fallout of Hurricane Melissa. Entrepreneurs are facing weakened cash flow, damaged assets, and higher operating costs, while national forecasts suggest slowed growth and ongoing inflationary pressure. These conditions leave MSMEs exposed and make timely financial intervention critical. Davis says against this background, one of the JBDC's newest partnerships with the Office of the Government Trustee is designed to stimulate the MSME ecosystem on the matter of debt and to raise awareness on the solutions available. For the trading period ending December 4, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Kintyre Holdings Jamaica Limited with 8,318,927 units, representing 34.35% of sales volume. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 4,163,209 units, representing 17.19% of sales volume. Lasco Manufacturing Limited with 3,324,673 units, representing 13.73% of sales volume. We now shift to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On December 4, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $47.84 million purchased and US $51.60 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.83 per dollar, selling the US at $159.38 and buying the US at $161.21. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.86 per transaction, with selling at $113.75 and buying at $111.89. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.04 in profits, with selling at $213.32 and buying at $214.36. For our credit report tip of the day, when borrowing becomes more expensive and lenders tighten their standards, small business owners face a reality that tests discipline, confidence, and determination. This isn't the moment to pull back. It's the moment to reinforce your financial foundation, sharpen your credit profile, strengthen cash flow, expand your banking relationships, and build liquidity so that you can move from a place of power instead of pressure. By embracing alternative financing options and positioning your business as stable and well managed, you rise above uncertainty and stay ready for the opportunities that appear when others are unprepared. When you are ready to be funded and focused, let's be real, across urban, rural, immigrant, and diaspora markets, one truth keeps surfacing. Entrepreneurs are ready to work, but the systems that convert effort into results are missing. The gap isn't motivation or creativity. It's the infrastructure required to turn ideas into bankable assets. When founders learn how to build budgets, map work plans, and design outcome frameworks, they start making sharper, faster decisions. They generate documents that withstand professional scrutiny, and institutions receive applicants who are prepared to manage funding with discipline and accountability. The process forces focus on the fundamentals that determine business stability: cash flow tracking, clean bookkeeping, smart pricing, credit readiness, and strong digital visibility. Founders complete every step: registration, licensing, banking, bookkeeping setup, credit audits, market validation, and the full suite of funding preparation tools. The payoff is powerful. They leave with habits, systems, and documentation that lower risks for themselves and the partners who invest in them. This becomes a direct pathway to long-term stability and growth. Because once the infrastructure is solid, strong outcomes become the natural result. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.